again and again. I'm back again with another maths video. And in this video, we'll be looking at the divisibility rule for the number 6. So, let's work. The number 6 is very cool. I done a multiples of 6 track, and I actually featured B-Boy the Curse, Brandon Peterson. He's one of SA's top break dancers and he's amazing. So I just feel like I'm actually going to play a snippet of that video for you now.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 56, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78.
I mean, how gevaarlijk is het niet? Huh? Yo, it's quite like maths can be amazing. It's multiplication, it's dancing, it's just so cool. You see, maths is for us, man. Maths is cool. Before I go off track, what is the divisibility rule for the number 6? Huh? Let's listen to the track.
Any number is divisible by 6 if it's both divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. Yes. Okay. Any number is divisible by 6 if it's both divisible by 2 and 3. Yes.
And the music stopped. Okay. So there you have it. Any number is divisible by 6 if it's both divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So let's go through the lyrics a bit slower. It says, any number is divisible by 6 if it's both, keyword, both, divisible by 2 and 3. Which means, if a number is divisible by 2, but at the same time is divisible by 3, then that particular number is also divisible by 6. And that's the rule. So we have to take the number and test the divisibility rule for 2, and we need it to work. It needs to be divisible. And then we also need to check that same number for the divisibility of 3. And if both works, then it's also divisible by 6. It's a bit trickier, no? I feel like this one is a bit trickier. But we can do this. We got this, huh? We got this. So let's again try an example. Let's take the number 774. There we go. 774. Righto. So let's first check if it is divisible by 2. Now what does the divisibility rule for 2 say? It says if the last digit of a number is even, then it's divisible by 2. So the last digit has to be ending in 0, or it has to be 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now look at our number. Our number is 774. The last digit is 4. And 4 is even. Kapow! Yes! And there we go. Our number, 774, is divisible by 2 because it passes the test for the divisibility rule for the number 2. Now we need to see if it's divisible by 3. And if it's divisible by 3, then we know that it's divisible by 6. And it's no secret. I just feel like whispering. What does the divisibility rule for the number 6 state? What does it say? What is the rule? It says a number is divisible by 3. You know, we've done this already. We've done this, right? If the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So 774 becomes 7 plus 7 plus 4. And 7 plus 7 is 14. And 14 plus 4 is 18. Now we need to check, is 18 divisible by 3? Okay, yes it is. Because 18 divided by 3 gives me 6. 6, 12, 18. And 18 is also a multiple of 3. Let's just add an extra. And there we go. Now we know that 774 is divisible by 3. But more importantly, we know that it's divisible by 2 and 3. And therefore, it's also divisible by 6. Ha! It works. But remember, it has to be divisible by both. If it's divisible by 2 and not by 3, then it won't be divisible by 6. Or if it's divisible by 3 and not by 2, then it's not divisible by 6. Ha! We got it, we did it, and we are winning, and we are learning.
So, where does 2 and 3 come from, Kurt? Why must we check if it's divisible by 2 and 3? And if it's divisible by 2 and 3, then we know it's divisible by 6. Like, why can't I check if it's divisible by 2 and 5 and know that it's divisible by 6?
So, let me break it down. Factors. If I multiply 2 and 3, so 2 times 3 gives me 6. 2, 4, 6. So, 2 3 times gives me 6. Or 3 2 times will give me 6. So, therefore, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. But not any factors. They're prime factors. Why prime? Optimus Prime. It's a truck. And it's like a robot, right? Optimus Prime. Guess what movie that is? Yeah, so prime numbers can only be divided by 1 and itself. And you'll get no remainder. Okay, so let's look at the number 2. You can only divide 2 by 1 and by 2, which is itself, evenly, right? If I divide 2 by 1, it's 2. If I divide 2 by 2, 1, 1. Ha! No remainder. But if I divide 2 by 3, it's not the same, okay? Same with 3. 3 is a prime number as well. It can only be divided by 1 and itself. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1, and 3 divided by 1 gives me 3. Okay? So, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. And because they are prime factors of 6, it gives life to this rule. And that's why this rule works. That's why it must be 2 and 3. Okay? I hope that makes a bit of sense. I hope it gets you thinking a bit. But for now, let's recap and get out of here.